how this is how we chat from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install WhatsApp Messenger to iPhone 14, 14 Pro, Pro Max and Plus, or any other version of Apple phone. For this you have to unlock your phone. After that you have to search this option. Here we go, App Store, hit this one. For downloading anything from Apple Store, you need an Apple account. If you don't know, or if you don't have Apple account, check my video how you can make an Apple account. So here now you have to hit the searching option. Hit the searching option. In searching option here, type WhatsApp Messenger. If you type W, it will appear. Hit this one. So you see you have WhatsApp web. We don't need that. So WhatsApp Messenger, here we go. Here you see cloud option. Hit this one. The cloud option. Depend on your internet how fast it would be. Now hit open button. Here we go. You have to hit agree and continue button. Here we go. Hit allow. And now you see my country appear here is Spain. Your country should appear there. You have to put your phone number. After putting phone number, you have to register with them and you will have your WhatsApp Messenger. Very easy and simple process. If you have any doubt, any problem, any confusion, write me at the comment section. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.